Hey there, English learners. Welcome to the HZ English Pod. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Today, we've got something really practical for you.
We sure do. Have you ever walked into a bank and felt confused about what to say?
Or maybe you tried to open a bank account online and didn't understand all those banking terms.
Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about banking in English.
And we're keeping it real, simple, and super useful.
Before we jump in, quick reminder, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.
All right, Liam, let's get started. So picture this. I just moved to a new city. First thing I need to do?
Open a bank account.
Exactly. But here's where it gets interesting. When I walk into the bank, they ask me, what kind of account would you like to open?
The classic question. So there are actually several types, but let's focus on the two most common ones.
First up, a checking account. This is your everyday account.
Think of it like your wallet, but digital. You use it for daily expenses, groceries, bills, coffee runs.
Right. And the cool thing about a checking account is that you can access your money anytime. You can write checks, though honestly, who still does that?
My grandmother. But yeah, most people use debit cards or mobile payments now.
Then there's the savings account. This is where you stash money you're not planning to touch for a while.
Like for emergencies, a vacation, or maybe you're saving up for something big, a car, a house, a trip around the world.
The best part, your money grows in a savings account because the bank pays you interest.
Interest is basically the bank saying, thanks for keeping your money here, by giving you a little extra.
It's not much usually, but hey, free money is free money.
Okay, so I've decided I want a checking account. What's next?
You'll need to bring some documents. First, a valid ID, your passport or driver's license.
They need to verify you are who you say you are. Makes sense.
You'll also need proof of address. That could be a utility bill or a rental agreement.
And sometimes they ask for your social security number or tax ID, depending on the country.
Once you have all that, the bank representative, sometimes called a bank officer or account manager, will help you fill out an application.
Pro tip, you can often start the application online now to save time.
True. Then you just visit the branch to verify everything and get your debit card.
Speaking of which, let's talk about that magical piece of plastic.
Your debit card is basically your key to your checking account.
When you pay with it, money comes directly out of your account. No borrowing, no debt.
And you use it at ATMs, automated teller machines, to withdraw cash.
Here's something important. You'll set up a PIN, a personal identification number. That's usually 4 digits.
Memorize it, but never write it on the card itself.
Never. And don't share it with anyone. If someone gets your card and your PIN, they can drain your account.
So using an ATM is pretty straightforward. Insert your card, enter your PIN, select withdrawal, choose the amount, and boom, cash.
But watch out for fees. If you use an ATM that doesn't belong to your bank, you might get charged.
Yeah, those fees can add up. Stick to your bank's ATMs when possible.
All right, Sophie, I just got paid. How do I put money into my account?
That's called making a deposit. You have a few options.
Option 1, go to the bank and hand cash or checks to the teller. Old school, but it works.
Option 2, use the ATM. Most ATMs now accept deposits. Just insert your cash or check.
Option 3, and this is the most common now, direct deposit. Your employer sends your paycheck straight into your account electronically.
No paper, no trip to the bank. It just appears in your account on payday.
Magic. Now, what if I need to send money to someone else?
That's a transfer. You can transfer money between your own accounts or to someone else. Most banks have mobile apps where you can do this instantly.
You just need the person's account number and routing number, or sometimes just their email or phone number.
And there are apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle that make it even easier.
So, Sophie, quick question. What's the difference between a debit card and a credit card?
Great question. So a debit card uses your own money, right? Money that's already in your account.
Exactly. But a credit card is different. It's like borrowing money from the bank. When you use a credit card, the bank pays for your purchase, and then you pay the bank back later.
Usually at the end of the month, you get a statement showing everything you bought.
If you pay it all back on time, great, no problem.
But if you don't pay in full, the bank charges you interest. And that can get expensive fast.
So use credit cards wisely. They can help build your credit score, but they can also lead to debt if you're not careful.
Let's do a quick vocab boost. These are words you'll hear all the time.
Balance. That's how much money you currently have in your account.
Transaction. Anytime money moves in or out of your account. A purchase, a deposit, a withdrawal.
Overdraft. This is when you spend more money than you have in your account. Not good. The bank might charge you a fee.
Statement. A monthly report showing all your transactions.
Wire transfer, sending money electronically, usually for larger amounts or international payments.
Exchange rate. If you're converting money from one currency to another, this is the rate used.
Now let's practice some phrases you might actually say at the bank.
I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Can I make a deposit?
Can I make a withdrawal of $200?
What's my current balance?
I'd like to transfer money to another account.
Can you help me set up online banking?
I think there's been an error on my statement.
Practice these at home and you'll sound confident when you need them.
All right, everyone, that's banking basics covered.
We went through account types, cards, deposits, transfers, and some key vocabulary.
The big takeaway? Don't be intimidated. Banking in English is totally doable once you know the terms.
And remember, bank employees are there to help. If you don't understand something, just ask them to explain.
Now we want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell us, do you prefer using cash, debit cards, or credit cards? And why?
We read every single comment, and it's awesome to hear from our community around the world.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Thanks so much for listening to the HZ English Pod.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.